What is up, you guys? I'm here in Forks, Washington. Everything is expensive as fuck. Here we are now. Shut the fuck up. I live right here. No sign saying to shut up, though.
Nope.
I'm just gonna pour the whole beer out, man.
Well, it's Kurt Cobain. It's pretty emotional, man.
Hell yeah, dude. A little crack pipe? What's up? Oh, sorry, I thought it was Kurt's. No.